Hello everybody, welcome to Royal Kitchen. Today I am going to make probiotic pickles in my Royal Kitchen. Probiotic pickles contains probiotic bacteria, that is lactobacillus and bifidobacteria. These bacteria are the microorganisms that can be consumed through fermented foods and supplements. Our intestines contain more probiotic bacteria, that is gut bacteria. It controls how much of energy you digest from certain foods. They play an important role in your brain health, heart health, and controls the cholesterol levels to keep our blood pressure in a normal range. The balance or imbalance of bacteria in our digestive system is linked to overall health and disease. Probiotics help balance the friendly bacteria in our digestive system, reduce the risk of diarrhea, prevents from depression, anxiety, stress and memory, reduces low density level cholesterol and lowers the blood pressure. These reduces allergies like eczema in infants, reduces the digestive disorders like irritable bowel syndrome, ulcerative colitis and necrotizing enterocolitis. Probiotics help to boost our immune system and protect against infections and inhibit the growth of harmful gut bacteria. Make these type of fermented pickles and foods. Keep eating them to keep yourselves healthy, to maintain the overall health of your body. Today I am going to show you how to make these type of pickled vegetables in my Royal Kitchen. Let's get started. To make the pickled vegetables, I have taken 6 cups of water in a bowl. To this add 1/3 cup of crystal salt. Let it dissolve in the water. Stir it for 1 minute. Here I have cut the carrots into long pieces. 1 cup of it I am taking. Transfer them into the glass jar. Here I have taken the beans, green beans. I have cut them into 3-inch pieces like this. Now transfer them into the jar. Into another jar I am transferring it. Here I have cut the tomatoes into long pieces. I have taken 1 cup of them. Transfer them into the different jar. Here I have taken 1 cup of beetroot cut into long pieces like this. Long and thin pieces. I have taken 15 green chilies. I have broken them into 2-inch pieces like this. Now transfer 1 cup of salted water into the jar which contains carrot. Carrot should be submerged into the water. Like this we have to add the water. Keep it aside. And take the beans jar also. To this also we have to add 1 cup of water. And some more water. Our beans should be submerged into the water like this. Keep it aside. To the green chilies also I am adding the water into the green chilies. Keep them aside. Now the remaining water I am adding to the beetroot jar. These are our fermented garlic cloves. I have made them some 15 days back. I am adding 1 teaspoon of it into the carrot jar, 1 teaspoon of it into the beans jar, 1 teaspoon each into each jar. This is our chopped ginger. I am adding 1 teaspoon of it in each of the jars like this. These are our black pepper corns. I am adding half teaspoon of them into each jar. These are our cumin seeds. I am adding half teaspoon of cumin seeds in each jar. These are our chopped green chilies. I am going to add these to the vegetable jars. Stir all of them so that all the ingredients may be homogeneously mixed in the pickle. Like this we have to mix all the pickle jars. Make sure that our vegetables should be submerged in the salted water. They should not float on the surface of the water. If they float on the surface of the water, mold will be formed on the surface of the water. So make sure that they should not float on the surface of the water. They always submerged in the water. Whenever you take out the vegetables, you replace some more salted water into the jars so that our vegetables may be submerged in the water. I have made all these pickles to produce the probiotic bacteria by them. By eating these pickled vegetables, we can get live probiotic bacteria, which is good for our gut health and overall health also. Now close the lid of the jars. When we keep the vegetables in an airtight containers, fermentation takes place and carbon dioxide may be released due to the anaerobic respiration. During this process, probiotic bacteria may be produced, multiplied in abundance. This bacteria protects us from various kinds of diseases including COVID-19. By eating probiotic foods, we can protect ourselves from this COVID-19, which is the deadliest life-threatening disease in the current situation. Make and eat probiotic recipes and keep COVID-19 away from us and make your body a treasure of health. You can as well add these pickled vegetables to make curries, salads and salsas. I hope all of you would like my recipe. If you are really liked my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. We have to occasionally mix these vegetables upside down like this, otherwise molds may be formed in the vegetable pickle. In older days, our grandma and your grandmas used to make these pickles and keep their health a treasure of wealth. We have to keep them for 3 to 5 days, but occasionally we have to mix them like this once in 3 hours or 5 hours. Otherwise molds will be formed and our pickles may get spoiled. The spices we have added in these pickles makes our pickles more tasty and flavorful.